Welcome to Morning Alarm. In this video we are going to solve a basic problem in Python in Hackerrank. Let's start by solving Hello World program. I am showing this program for beginners who haven't solved any program in Hackerrank yet. For those who are new to the Hackerrank platform, I am showing this demo after signing in into Hackerrank and in the language you want to solve the problems in. We get a interface like this. In that we are given a problem description and a coding platform where you can write the source code and test it by clicking the run code option. In this program we are printing the hello world. In the program we are asked to print hello world simply. For that, in the print function we have to give a string input of hello world. After running the code we get the output of hello world. When the expected output and our output matches, the solution is correct and we have succeeded in solving the problem. Let's solve the next challenge. In this challenge we are given to solve a problem based on the else if. In Python we call the else if condition as elif. If the condition in if statement is true, then the statements in if block are executed. If the if condition is false, the statements in else block are executed. In this program we are given some tasks. If the n is odd, we have to print weird. If n is even and inclusive in 2 and 5, we have to print not weird. If n is even and present between 6 and 20, we have to print weird. And if n is even and greater than 20, we have to print not weird. To find if a number is even, we have to divide the number by 2. If the remainder is 0, then the number is even. If the remainder is not 0, then it is odd. To get the remainder value, we have the modulus operator, which is represented by a percentage symbol. If we divide the number and we get the remainder 2, then it is even. If not, it is odd. Let's write some lines of code to check whether the number is odd. If the number is odd, we have to print weird. For this, after taking the n value as input, I am dividing the number by 2 and checking whether the remainder value is 0. While writing the code, I haven't checked the condition properly. It should be not equal to 0 to print weird. Later in this video, I correct myself. The next one is else if condition to check whether the number is even, that is the remainder value is equal to 0 and lies between 2 and 5. If the number lies between 2 and 5, we have to print not weird. After that, the next condition we have is the number should be between 6 and 20 and it should be even. If it is satisfied, we have to print weird. The next condition we have is if the number is even and greater than 20, we have to print not weird. Now let's check if it is working correctly by clicking on run code. After running the program, we got an error saying there is an error in else if. In Python, we have to use elif instead of else if. Now let's run the code once again. There is again an error showing that for 3 it has to print weird, but it is not printing anything. Let's check where the error is. In the first condition, if statement, I have checked whether n is for even, but we have to check it for odd, so the remainder value should not be equal to 0. I have changed it and the output is correct. Let's check it for other test cases also. All the test cases has passed and the code is working correctly. Thanks for watching the video till the end and follow the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.